Welcome to the podcast. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of AI development and collaboration platforms, focusing specifically on GitHub. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore how GitHub is revolutionizing the way developers work, collaborate, and innovate. Did you know that GitHub has transformed how software developers approach coding? It's not just about writing code anymore. It's about community, collaboration, and quality. Imagine a bustling marketplace filled with people exchanging ideas and solutions. That's what GitHub feels like for many developers. Think about it. GitHub allows developers to share their projects with the world. This kind of collaborative environment promotes creativity and innovation like never before. Just picture a group of artists contributing to a mural, each adding their unique touch. That's what happens in the coding world on GitHub. One key feature of GitHub is its focus on security. Developers can find and fix vulnerabilities with ease, making their software safer for users. It's like having a vigilant watchdog, ensuring that all your data remains secure. How amazing is it that with just a few clicks you can identify potential threats in your code? And let's not forget about actions. This tool automates workflows, allowing developers to focus on what they love most, creating. You can set up automated processes that will run tests, build applications, or deploy your code without lifting a finger after the initial setup. It's almost like having your personal assistant handle the monotonous tasks while you dive deeper into innovation. Speaking of automation and efficiency, have you ever found yourself losing track of tasks in a complex project? Well, GitHub's Issues tool is designed to help teams plan and track work seamlessly. It's a centralized place where developers can organize tasks, report bugs, and ensure that everything is moving forward. Imagine planning a huge event. Keeping everything organized is key to success, and that's precisely what GitHub helps teams achieve. Now let's touch on a vital aspect of GitHub, the community. The GitHub Discussions feature allows developers to communicate outside of code and engage in conversations. This is where ideas blossom. You can think of it like a roundtable discussion, where opinions can be shared, questions can be asked, and creativity can flourish without the pressure of delivering code. I can't help but feel a bit inspired by how GitHub blends technology and community to foster learning. They even offer learning pathways and webinars to help developers continue their education. It's fantastic to see an initiative aimed at lifelong learning. To wrap things up, GitHub is not just a platform, it's a thriving ecosystem that empowers developers to improve their skills, collaborate effectively, and enhance security. What's even more fascinating is how this has a ripple effect across the tech industry. The open source community, supported by platforms like GitHub, is pushing the envelope of innovation at unprecedented rates. Before we sign off, let me leave you with this thought. How do you think platforms like GitHub will shape the future of software development? It's a question worth pondering, and if anything, it's clear that the potential for growth and creativity is boundless. Thanks for joining us today to explore the exciting developments at GitHub. If you enjoyed this discussion, be sure to tune in for our next episode, where we'll take a closer look at more tech innovations that are shaping our world. Happy coding, everyone!